RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, explained in under 2 minutes. To understand Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, think of the difference between taking a test from memory versus taking an open book test. The problem: AI hallucinations. Normally, an AI model like a large language model relies entirely on its memory, the data it was trained on months or years ago. If you ask it about a very recent event or a private document it has never seen, it might hallucinate, make up a wrong answer, because it is forced to guess. The solution is RAG, the open book method. RAG fixes this by giving the AI a textbook or a set of documents to look at before it answers your question. It follows a simple 3-step process. First step, retrieval. When you ask a question, the system searches your specific database, the open book, for the most relevant information. Second step, augmentation. It takes the information it found and adds it to your original question, creating a combined prompt. And third step, generation. The AI uses that fresh, accurate information to write a grounded, fact-based answer. A simple analogy. Imagine a student taking a history exam. Standard AI. The student answers questions based only on what they memorized in school. If the test asks about something that happened yesterday, the student is stuck and might just guess. RAG, II. The student is allowed to look at a library of newspapers. When asked about yesterday's events, they first go to the library, retrieve the newspaper from yesterday, augment their notes with that info, and generate a perfect answer.